Hello friends, today we are going to see how to sew a beach bikini blouse, and you are also going to see 22 ways of styling it. Yes, come on, have a look at style 1. You can try it the way I do now. It's so simple and easy. Have a look all around. I hope you would have liked the first style. Let's move on to style 2. It's also so simple and good. So just have a look at front and back. Next is the style 3. Put both the hangings on one side as you wear your shawl. And that looks so cool one to be worn this way. This is how it looks from both front and back when you wear them. Style 4, you can use accessories like bangles, rings, or any round-shaped items to do this way of styling. And this way of styling looks beautiful to be worn. Yeah, just have a look and know whether it's really beautiful or not. So then, we will move on to style 5. I use the same ring to make this next styling. And this styling is going to be strapless like thing. Yeah, it's looking good. Have a look. Then the style 6. Here we are going to use it at the back this way. Quite interesting, right? Well, we will move on to the next style, and that's style number 7. This looks like you have a sleeve along with it. A good one too. Here in this style, you will get a look of V-shaped neck at the back. And yes, it looked really elegant. So, next is the style 9. It comes out like a strap blouse at the front and a plain back. Style 10. And again, it comes out like a strapless blouse, where the shawl hangs down like this. Style 11. This is going to look somewhat different, so just have a look. Different but a nice one. Following this, we have style 12. And this is so simple. All you need to do is just tie a knot at the back this way. Wow, this looks so pretty. Next is style 13. You can just put both the side shawl around the neck. We will move on to style 14. We are going to twist the shawl and bring it to the front and tie it together. Then the style 15. Put the shawl one over the other at back and tie a knot at the front. That's cool, isn't it? At style 16, we are going to bring the shawl through the arms to the back and tie it. Style 17. Tried a bit different. I hope you guys like it. we will move on to style 18. Just try the way I do and again I did it by using this ring. And this is our favorite style among 22, as it looks so pretty on both front and back. At style 19, put the shawls downwards crisscross and tie it at the back. Style 20, just wear it like you put your shawls on your shoulders. Next is style 21. Now put your shawls around your neck towards the front. Finally, it's the last one, the style 22. I have saved the best for the last. Following this, we will move on to the making process. Here I have used PDF pattern files to get the real size pattern. So first we are going to align it according to the reference sheet given. I have arranged it in 3 rows. So next, you have to connect these 4 matching signs at the do it in all sheets. Yes, I have done it in all sheets. So next you have to cut down the sheet on all 4 sides along those lines drawn. Now I have all sheets with cuttings done. And next place 2 sheets together like I do, then stick them up together. The same way, first stick the sheets on each rows together. Then stick these 3 rows together. You can now start cutting your patterns one by one. So, these are your patterns. A shawl, a back body, and the 2 parts of a cup. Next, we are going to trace out the patterns on the fabric. First of all, have both the main fabric and the inner lining at. Now we will trace out the front cup. Place cup 1 at the fold and trace it out. Next, place cup 2 nearby and trace it out. Mark out the notches given. Then provide seam allowance of 0.5 inches all around the pattern. Pin it up together and cut down the pattern. So, this is your front cup ad. I have been picturized it this way. We are next going to trace out the pattern of the back body. As I said before, have both the main fabric and the inner lining at fold. And start tracing out by placing the pattern straight to the grain line. Then start providing seam allowance of 0.50 inches all around. Pin it up together and cut down the pattern. So this is your back body. Finally, we are going to trace out the shawl. Have the fabric at fold. Place the pattern and trace it out by having seam allowance of 0.75 inches, since we are going to sew its edges by making double fold. I have here marked its width. When you consider its length, you can have it as you need. And I have making a cut at the fold to get 2 pieces of shawl for both sides. Okay, let's move on to the sewing process. First, we will start sewing the front cup. Just start sewing the cup 2 with cup 1 along the seam line on both the sides. Then repeat this on your main fabric too. And I have got it done on both main fabric and the inner lining. Next, I'm going to sew the edges of the shawl by making double fold. Continue it the same way until you reach the other end. And repeat the same on the other side of the shawl. I am going to now start making pleats and pin it up. Then sew at the pleats. Repeat the same on the other shawl too. We are now going to attach it with the cup. First, sew it along with the good side of the lining material. Place the shawl along one notch to the other and start sewing it. So yes, this is what we need. Repeat the same on the other side. And now place the good side of the main fabric upon and start sewing. Make sure you sew it properly, so slowly sew along the seam allowance. Then make a single cut at the V-point and make cuts along the curves too. So to get a good finishing at the outer side, you have to press the seam on the inner side. Separate both the fabric on either sides and press well at the center. Then invert it outside and look, your front body is almost ready. And we are now going to sew cup at the front along the inner lining. Find the center of the cup and place it at the bust point notch. Sew it together. Repeat the same on the other side. Next, we are going to sew the back body. First, place the inner lining upon the good side of the main fabric. And start sewing along the upper and bottom edges. Then repeat the same on the other side. We are now going to press the seams at the back body too. Press it well at both upper and lower seam. Then invert it inside out. And iron well at the upper and bottom edges. So yes, your back body is also ready. We all need is to finish off the bottom edges of the front body. Take a cut piece of 2 inches and sew it upon along the seam line. Then flip it inwards. Make a double fold and make a stitch. And finally, we are going to attach both the bodice at the side. Place the good side of the back body together with the front and make a stitch. Do the same on the other side. And yes, the product is going to be complete. And yes, this is the final outcome of the product. Just enjoy it. Thank you.